The Gouache painting course is a set of 3 series of lessons structured in order. Easier steps lead to the higher skill levels. Task sequences let you learn and progress from basic brush skills to mastering complex painting. The structure allows to join any course depending on your individual skill level. You will become familiar with tools and materials, learn some aspects of color theory through visual samples and practicing. The course offers a variety of activities which are focused on painting techniques and skills development. Each set of lessons ends with a big project that sums up acquired knowledge and progress. Each subsequent project is more challenging. Following audio and visual instructions allows you to work at your own pace, manage your own time, and review or repeat any task anytime. At the end of the course, you will have a number of fully completed original artworks created by yourselves. Order your original course now. Contact me on Facebook, Instagram or LinkedIn. All links are provided in the description under this video.